Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Devamitra from PCS Global Private Limited. Today I'm going to talk with you about something that is called Python. As we all know that Python is a programming language, and in today's job market, it has a very high demand. How to learn Python? And at first, you need to know what is Python. So, I'm going to discuss it with you. Okay. So, what is Python? Python is an interrupted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level build its data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very easy, very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python is simple, easy to learn, syntax, emphasis, readability, and therefore reduces the cost program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the existing standard library are available in source or binary form without change for all major platforms can be freely distributed. So this is Python. So how does Python work in real life? Since the function on cross-platform operating systems, Python can be used to develop a host of applications, including web apps, gaming apps, enterprise level applications, okay, ML apps, image processing, text processing, and much more. How to do code in Python, how the code run in Python. The easiest way to run Python, the download Tony IDE. Run the installer to install Tony on your device. Go to File, New, then save the file with py extension. With Python code in the file and save it running Python using Tony IDE. Python is a dynamic interpreted language. So uh, then go to on run current script or simply click F5 to run it. So how can I create a software in Python? You can create a software in Python. You can develop a cool software Python ecosystem provides a rich set of frameworks, tools, and libraries that allows you to write almost any kind of applications. You can use Python to build applications for the web as well as desktop and mobile platforms. So is Python hard to learn? What do you think, guys? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Python is actually one of the best programming language for beginners. Its syntax is similar to English, which makes it relatively easy to read and understand. With some time and dedication, you can learn to write Python, even if you have never written a line of code before. How long it takes to learn Python? That is very important question, right? In general, it takes around 2 to 6 months to learn the fundamentals of Python, but you can learn enough to write your first short program in a matter of minutes. Developing the first thing of Python, the vast area of libraries can take months or years to learn. Okay, so these are the things guys about Python. In my today's session, I have just gave you that first idea about Python. In my next session, I am going to discuss elaborately about Python and how you can learn Python, from where you can learn Python. Our Python courses are already in TCS Global, already going on. You can join over there. You can get proper knowledge from us. And after having all those knowledge, you can work with us as a Python developer in our in-house projects, in our client projects. We have so many options and client companies. In that companies we can send you as a Python developer. So kindly learn Python and be a Python developer. So in today's session, whatever I have said, that you need to focus on all those things properly. So only thing is learning is the only way to get success. So my there are so many information I have already given, and in kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and comment below. So bye for now.